Copyright disclaimer. Shalom, beloved. The powers that be had tried blocking the first video uploaded to more than 30 countries due to the scenes from a film. Hence, it was edited out, but it was too precious, quote, precious, unquote, to leave out. Let me try again by putting it in another way.
Cloning. What if I were to tell you that I could take a scraping of skin from your finger and create another Ezra Lieberman?
Kindly bear with me if I interject to go around this platform.
Anyway, that is cloning. It was first done with plants. A cutting taken from a plant and transplanted grew to be the exact duplicate of the donor plant. Now we are doing the same thing with laboratory animals.
That is Dolly the sheep.
An ovulating female and destroy all of its genes and chromosomes. We then implant the nucleus of the donor cell, which could be taken from a blood sample or even a skin scraping. That cell, with its genetic material intact, eventually becomes an embryo and is born as a living creature.
Or an abomination.
Well, it has no father because the egg was never fertilized, no mother because its genetic code comes from another being. Can you follow that?
And this creature is an exact duplicate of itself? Oh, doctor, how can that be?
Technology of the fallen.
Here we are removing the eggs of a white rabbit from the fallopian tubes.
Let's be reminded that it's a rabbit.
You see the egg under a microscope. I've brought the point of an ordinary sewing needle into view to give an idea of size.
They are that small?
Most mammal eggs are about that size.
Including human eggs?
Yes. The next step is to destroy the egg nucleus with ultraviolet light so that none of its genetic makeup remains.
Void of its original substance.
With the injection pipette, one of the blood cells is sucked up and then injected into the egg.
Decades ago, for what? Their important purposes?
After a few hours, the eggs in culture divide and are ready to be put back into the female. There they grow into embryos.
Reminder, rabbits.
The technique were precise enough.
It's monstrous, doctor.
Why? Wouldn't you want to live in a world full of Mozarts and Picassos? Of course, it's only a dream. Not only would you have to reproduce the genetic code of the donor, but the environmental background as well.
That's the press release that the code scientists and code would be looking for those geniuses to recreate them, reduplicate them, but it seemed highly likely that what they're really after is the enlightenment that would bring them into the Etz HaChaim, tree of Chaim, that would give them immortality, going through the window, the back door, bypassing the real door. That is the Dabar Yahuwah, Yahushua, our Mashiach. Hadarak Ha'amat HaChaim. Hallelujah. All esteem to Yahuwah Abinu, our Almighty, through Yahushua HaMashiach. Shabbat Shalom.